In this video, we're going to look at how to quickly clean up your text using the AI spell checker. So let's say you've finished creating your course. It's live, it's ready, and now you're gearing up to start selling. But then you spot a sentence that just doesn't sit right. You can't quite put your finger on it, but something feels off. No stress, that's exactly where the AI spell checker comes in. Here's what you do. Head over to the lesson, highlight the sentence that feels off, and click the little T icon in the menu bar of the text editor. That's it. The AI takes over from there, checks for grammar, spelling, clarity, all the good stuff. And it's not just for your lessons. You can use it when writing emails to your students or anywhere else you're adding text on the platform. Just highlight, tap the T, and let the AI clean things up. Oh, and a bonus tip. It also fixes missing or incorrect punctuation. So even if you missed a comma or used the wrong quotation mark, it's got your back. All right, that's it for this tutorial. Go give it a try, and I'll see you in the next video.